What's going on, guys? Ethereum to $1,700. It's looking like it's trying to magnetize to that area, and it's looking like we're trying to magnetize potentially, if we can break this bear flag to the upside, to about $25,000 for Bitcoin. I want to go over some signs here, and I want to just kind of have more of just a personal one-on-one talk with you guys. This is where people get crazy. I'm not going to lie, guys. I want you guys just to check your emotions. If you care about this, that's great. If not, you guys can go on a different video. But what can happen right now is people can start telling themselves, I know we're going to go up to the moon. I know we're going to crash back down. I didn't mean to do an arrow there, but okay, apparently I'm doing arrows. People get into this stage right now where they're like, oh, I know this is going to happen. Here's the deal, guys. You don't know, as much as I humbly tell you guys, I don't know what the heck is going to happen here. I can show you guys from technical analysis, this thing is far overbought to the upside. Okay, to the fact that we actually have divergence forming now. If we go over to the metrics over here, tradeconfident.io, we'll refresh this here. If you take a look at Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin is pushing up to about a 75% chance of a move back down. Last time we got up here, the market moved back down. Previous time up here, the market moved back down. Previous time before that, the market moved back down. Previous time before that, the market moved back down. So from a technical analysis perspective, I would be a fool to come on here and tell you guys that we're just going to keep flying up, okay? If somebody were to say opposite of that, it'd be like, what chart are you possibly looking at? Maybe from a different planet. Okay, come down here to Ethereum. Let's take a look at Ethereum for a second right now. Taking a look at Ethereum, we're sitting at about an 82 to 83% chance of move back down. Okay, I'm just coming over here and I'm looking at what happened last time we pushed up here, where people thought we were going up pretty high and we reached around these territories. We pushed a little bit higher and then we actually went into a bear market cycle, lower highs and lower lows. Okay? And then you've got areas over here where it's like, okay, where we're really pushing up, we're testing this again. And then that was an overextension to put us into a bear market cycle. So here's the deal, guys. I know a lot of people are looking at the charts right now. Maybe you're looking at, the where we exited. We still have, let me get this out here correctly. We have 37.5% still in the market. So if this thing goes up, guys, we're still going to make money. It's awesome. We're jacked, okay? But here's the deal. Let me say this a different way. Let's give all of each other grace. Give other YouTubers some grace here if they just don't know what's going to happen, okay? Because we're all trying to figure this out. This may look really bullish right now, and by the end of the week, you may be back down here. Okay, let me show you guys something on the SPY that you all need to be paying attention to. I was looking at this probably about 2 weeks ago, and I called it out to our members that we finally hit the golden circle for the SPY, which is the S&P 500. We have a descending resistance here that the price slammed up to this, and exactly where we're looking at this to move back down, we got to move back down. So I think a lot of this crypto move up here is going to be dependent on what happens with the opening market tomorrow for the S&P 500. If we see any type of gap downs here to the downside, I guarantee you guys crypto is going to crash back down. But if the SPY, the SPY, can actually break the descending resistance, then we're probably going to try to look to target the bounce zone up here of 415. And that could get really, really bullish for crypto. All right? So while we're in these moments right now where it's kind of a fake. I don't think people thought we're gonna. I mean, if you're confident to say I knew we were gonna head up this fast, then good for you. That's great. I think the majority of people are kind of stunned a little bit by Ethereum doing this move. I mean, it's taken over Bitcoin by far. Here's the channel that it was supposed to, quote unquote, stay in if it's following Bitcoin. It didn't. It's off on its own right now, taking leaps and bounds here. The merge is coming up in September. People are seeing bullish news about that. People are getting excited about Ethereum. Okay. So when we're looking at this, I want to just kind of pull this video into this, and it's not going to be a super long video. I want to kind of end it in the next minute or so here. When you guys are looking at this and you bought in low like we did, and we're currently setting up a decent amount. I'm not going to lie, guys. I'm excited about this. We're up $3,300, and the market's still going up, and we're still ticking up. Literally, guys, if we go to 1,700, we're going to make hundreds of more dollars. We win regardless. But here's the deal. What we're trying to do and what I'm trying to teach you guys is that this market is not just going to keep going up and up and up forever. There's going to be a pullback. And so if you guys look at other YouTubers or maybe comments on some of these videos that terrible call, why did you exit there? Let time play out. And I'm not just saying this for that. That's okay. Let them be there. It's fine. I want you to check into your own soul here. Are you guys freaking out here thinking, oh my gosh, it's going to go up? Or you're like, no, it's absolutely going to crash back down. Let me just share this with you guys. If you have money in the market, let's say you have $1,000, what would it hurt if you decided, not financial advice, to just take out 50% of your money right now. Because if it goes up, you'll still make money. If it crashes back down, you've saved money on 50% and you're not losing on 100%. That is really what I'm trying to share with you guys on this channel. We exited 25% here, and then we exited another 25% of the account, which you have to do more because you have a less balance, so 33%. So 50% of our whole account was taken out right here, which I'm really proud about. Like we followed the indicators and we did that. And then we took out another 25% right here. So I'm really happy with all these exits, and you guys should be as well, because nobody knows exactly what's going to happen. That's the hard thing with crypto, is that it's like after the fact, everyone becomes a genius. And it's like, oh man, just be careful that you guys just don't fall into this trap. That's basically what I want to say. Like, don't get yourself caught in the trap of, oh man, why did I do that? That was such a dumb move because the market ended up doing this. You didn't know what the market was going to do. How about this? How about we just start praising everyone in the comments and every YouTuber we know that did a good job of buying low and they're making money as the market goes up. Like, we're actually in some profit, guys. Okay, let me tell you this. I don't know if you guys know this stat, but we got people... We got some people that are bashing us like crazy. Sorry, guys. This is like a 5% venting video, but I'm going to pull this back right now. Here's the deal, guys. We ended up opening a lot of trades if you guys have been following us for a while. We used really good risk management. Our account that we've had trades open for a long time, the break-even balance is $150,000. Do you guys realize if we did not use any of the buy limits that we taught for the past year, our account would be down? It would be down another $33,000. $33,000 we would have been down if we did not use the risk management that I've been teaching you guys this last year. And all of that was basically taking time through this whole bear market up here. We said, you know what? Well, everybody was like, oh, we're going to go to the moon and we're going to actually double. And I had people tell me, Travis, you're a fool if you don't, you're a fool if you don't think Ethereum's going to double and flip Bitcoin by the end of the year. Literally double in price. I'm like, no, there's no way. And so look, guys, it always oscillates back and forth. You're a genius one day, you're a loser the other day because you made a wrong call. What I'm trying to get you guys to see on this channel is that it's not a bad idea. If you're in profit and you think the market could go down, why not just sell a little bit? Why not just sell a little bit so you guys can take that stash home? And at the end of the day, guys, if you're using risk management and you're using buy limits like we are, and like we still have buy limits set up down here in case this thing crashes back down, there's no guarantee this thing's going to keep going up. There's no guarantee of that. Just as there's no guarantee it's going to go back down either. So what do? You just do the best with what you've got. And we use indicators to help predict this. And I believe we've got some of the best out there. Okay. So hopefully this helps, guys. I want you guys to be easy on yourself. Be easy on yourselves. Okay, guys, we're making money. At the end of the day, like, we're up. Our account's up. We're doing great. All of you guys who ended up using the risk management that I taught you guys, over the last year, congratulate yourself. You guys just saved yourself, if you're in my position, $33,000. That's absolutely amazing. Praise yourself for that, okay? I know this probably doesn't mean a lot to a lot of people, but anyways, I wanted to just come on here and just encourage you guys. Like, we're doing really good. We're doing fantastic, okay? All right. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys. Have an amazing day, and we'll come out with some more videos tomorrow, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.